The WT1800 Precision Power Analyzer is the latest addition to Yokogawa Test and Measurement's highly recognized digital power analyzer product line. Replacing the WT1600, an industry standard for many years, the WT1800 offers innovative measurement functions which benefit the engineer with electrical power measurements. It is the ideal measurement solution for testing product efficiency. And the design of inverters, motor drives, lighting systems, uninterruptible power supplies, aircraft power systems, transformer testing, and other power conversion devices. The WT1800 is capable of performing up to 6 power input measurements, which makes it possible to perform efficiency tests between the input and output of products such as inverters. With its high-resolution 8.4-inch XGA display, it is simple to set up and display up to 12 different pages of measurement items in formats such as numeric, waveforms, and trends. A vector display is also available for voltage and current phase analysis. Many of today's power conversion circuits use energy-saving switching techniques. These can cause highly distorted voltage or current waveforms with high harmonic content. To measure these waveforms accurately, the WT1800 uses high-resolution 16-bit analog-to-digital converters with a digitizing rate of 2 megasamples per second. The power measurement bandwidth is from DC and 0.1 Hz to 1 MHz. Basic power measurement accuracy is 0.1% of reading plus 0.05% of range. For electric motor testing applications, the WT1800 offers a unique and powerful motor evaluation function. In one unit, you can measure all the electrical power parameters along with rotation speed, torque, mechanical power, synchronous speed, slip, motor efficiency, and total system efficiency. In addition, A-phase, B-phase, and Z-phase input terminals have been added for advanced motor analysis. These signals make it possible to detect the rotation direction of the motor. The electrical angle can be measured using the Z-phase signal. A new programmable digital filter function enhances the capability to remove unnecessary harmonic components and noise superimposed on signals such as from an inverter or variable speed motor drive. This filter can be set independently for each input element, from 100 Hz to 100 kHz in 100 Hz increments. An analog filter is also provided for 300 kHz and 1 MHz filtering for each input element. Harmonic analysis can now be made up to the 500th order from a 50 or 60 Hz fundamental frequency. This is especially important in new power conversion and power electronic devices. The Yokogawa WT1800 offers an industry-first dual harmonic measurement function. This feature makes it possible to simultaneously measure the harmonic content and perform harmonic analysis on 2 different sources, such as the input and output of an inverter, variable speed motor drive, lighting ballast, uninterruptible power supply, or similar devices. In addition, the normal power parameters and harmonic data are measured simultaneously, providing for faster and more accurate power analysis. In photovoltaic power generation, a maximum peak power tracking measurement is performed to maximize the harvested power generated by photovoltaic cells. To accomplish this, the WT1800 is capable of measuring peak voltage, current, and power values. The power integration function measures the amount of power sold or purchased in grid interconnection applications. The WT1800 features Yokogawa's average active power function, making it possible to measure power consumption under conditions where the power fluctuates greatly. For the first time in the high-precision power analyzer industry, an event trigger function is available to capture a particular event. A trigger can be set for measured values that fall out of a pre-selected range. The WT1800 can then store, print, or save the data that meets the trigger condition. The latest communication interface ports such as Ethernet, USB, and GPIB are all included in the WT1800. Plus, support for USB removable storage media is also provided.